Hello, dear friends. How are you? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Hope you all be fine. Today, we are going to discuss about an app review, which is Google Ads app. So, we open our Play Store app, and as you can see, we have to click on the search bar, and we have to search Google Ads app. As you can see, the interface and you have to download the app. Now I have downloaded it and I simply click on the open button to open the app. Now you can sign in and click on the sign in, and here you have to provide your email address, also your phone number to sign in to this app. Now it requires email address or phone, so I simply enter my email address to proceed it further. Now I have to click on the next button, and as you can see now, our email address is incorrect or it already exists, so I have to provide another email. So I am trying to provide another type of email here, and you can see I have done, and I click on the enter button. Now I have to enter the password. So I'm entering the password of my email address and simply click on the next button. Here my password is incorrect, so I try another one. Then you have to click on the next button. But if you forgot your password, so you can click on the forgot on the below section. Now here my password is correct and I have to provide my phone number. As you can see, phone number is for a verification code. If you have to provide your phone number in, it will send a verification code to your number, so you have to give this 6-digit number and confirm your phone or email. I simply click on the next, and here I have to enter a 6-digit verification code as in the message. So here I click on the next, and here the verification, this phone number is for your reset your password or receive video calls and messages. How it work or your control, many options are here, you can study it easily. Now you have to click on yes, I am in, to further proceed the process. Now we have the term of services. You have to study and you have to read the policy and click on the agree button. Now it's loading, and it's loading now, and this is a very beneficial app, guys, for your Google Ads. Here you see the interface. Start advertising in 3 easy steps. Select your ad goal, create your ad, set your budget. Here in this section you have to set your ad goal, then you have to create your ad and set the budget, the money or the amount you have. Here let's start your campaign. How do you get new customers? By phone calls, website traffic. I simply click on website traffic. Let's see if you have a website, so you can use it. Here you can type your business name. So let's suppose I simply type my business name, whatever business you have to promote it, to advertise it. Okay, so here I simply type cosmetic products. Okay, let's suppose you have a business of whatever name you have. I simply click on the next button, and here you have to provide your website link. Okay, for this purpose, your advertising, enter most relevant page of your website. This might be your home page or more specific. Okay, you have to simply click on the next. This is the process. Further, if you want to proceed further, then you can. I simply click on the mobile phone number. In the same process as here, you have to give the website name, where tell us where people go after they click your ad. It means when they advertise your business, so where they can go when they click on the advertising link. Here you can provide your website link from where you can manage all your orders and supply etc. So guys, you can see this was some little information about Google Ads, and you can use it furtherly. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you once again. See you soon in the next